Welcome back guys. This is the last video in the series Kinemaster Explained. This video explains sound editing. Please like the video if you found anything helpful and subscribe to get more cool videos like this. There are two main ways to add sound to a video. Voice and audio are the ways. We have seen what these two tools are used for. I have added a song here for the tutorial. Just like anything else, just click on it to open the options menu. The three tools in the first row are the volume tool used to adjust the volume, the EQ tool used to add equalizer, and the volume envelope tool used to increase or decrease the volume where needed. Here is a small example of using the volume envelope tool. The volume of the song will be less in the area where I have lowered the notes. If those notes are raised, the volume on that portion will increase. If you want to know the true result of dubbing, all you need is a video with talks or narrations and a song that can be used as a background music. After adding both of them to the project, turn on ducking in the options menu of that song. The volume of the song will automatically decrease where you talk in the video and increase automatically where it does not. It works almost like the volume envelope tool. If the background music is too short and the video is too long, we just need to enable loop and loop to end. We have already learned about EQ, reverb, voice changer and trim tools in the previous videos. The next thing to learn is the extract audio tool. We can see this tool in the options menu of videos. It is an option to separate its sound from the video. That audio will stand out as a sound in the timeline. We can edit that audio just like we edit a sound. Guys, this series is over. We cannot fully understand anything only with some tutorials. It requires practice, so practice a lot. The contents in Spafa are not going to end after this series. There are still a lot of useful contents to come, so don't forget to subscribe. Also enable the bell icon. See you next Friday coming. Also check out the videos on the end screen.